Jobber's built-in time tracking connects directly to jobs, invoices, and payroll, which means the hours your team logs can turn into billable time without re-entering anything. By the end of this, you'll know exactly how to set up time tracking in Jobber, how your crew should use it, and where to check the hours before invoicing. First, turn it on. Inside Jobber, go to Settings, then Time Tracking. If it's already enabled, you'll see options for team tracking. If not, switch it on. This is the control center for how your staff logs time. The important part here is permissions. Go to Team Settings, choose the employee, and make sure they have access to the mobile app and time tracking. If they can't access those, they won't be able to clock in on site. Now set up the actual workflow. When a technician opens the Jobber app, they tap the scheduled job. Inside that job, there's a timer button. Tapping Start begins tracking. The timer stays attached to that specific visit. That matters because Jobber logs time by visit, not just by employee. So if someone works 2 jobs in one day, the time stays organized by client. When the work is done, tap Stop. Jobber saves that entry automatically. If the technician forgets, they can add manual time later by opening the visit and selecting Add Time Entry. That's useful for cleanup work, supply runs, or fixing missed punches. Now here's where most business owners check it. Go to the job in the desktop dashboard and open the timesheet section. You'll see who worked how long, and on which visit. This helps catch errors before you invoice. If your pricing is hourly, Jobber can pull those hours directly into the invoice. That cuts down manual math and avoids billing mistakes. If you use payroll outside Jobber, export timesheets from the reports section. That gives you a clean record for payroll software. A few quick habits make this work better. Tell your team to start the timer when they arrive, not when they leave the shop. Review timesheets at the end of each day. Fix missed entries fast so payroll and billing stay accurate. That's the whole system. Turn on time tracking, assign permissions, train your team to use the timer inside each visit, and review hours before invoicing. Your next step is simple. Run one live job with time tracking today and test the full workflow. If this saved you time, hit like and subscribe for more Jobber walkthroughs and fixes.